Hey everyone, welcome to this hands-on project, Sales Data Analyzer using Pandas and Matplotlib. In this session, we will be working with sales data from a fictional company to explore how we can read, clean, analyze and visualize data using Python. Step 1. Fetching the data. You know this by now, right? We start by importing the necessary libraries, Pandas for data handling and matplotlib.pyplot for visualization. Then we read CSV file named salesdata.csv using pd.readCSV function. We display the first few rows using df.head to verify the structure. This helps us confirm the columns: order ID, date, customer name, product, category, quantity, price, total and region. Next, data cleaning. Next we check for missing data using, you know by now, what is it? df.isNull.sum, right? This will show if any column contains null values. We also convert the date column to a date time format using pd.toDateTime to make time-based analysis easier. Then, to ensure accuracy, we recalculate the total as quantity multiplied by price, even if it was provided. Next, step 3. Analysis. Yes, data analysis. Now let's dive into analysis. We have told analysis 4 times, I guess, including the last analysis, right? Okay, so let's do the analysis. Just kidding. Okay. Step 3. Data analysis. First we calculate the total sales by summing the total column. Yes. So dftotal.sum function. Alright? Okay. Next we are printing it. Then we perform group by operations to break sales down by region and category. You know this by now, right? Group by which category? Region. And what value we are taking? Total. And then we are performing sum operation. Right? So this is the third project we are doing, right? You are getting more familiar. Ask yourself whether you are getting familiar with it or not. Once you do some operations or some projects, some kind of projects regularly, then it will be a cup of cake for you, right? Then you start understanding things that I am not even mentioning to you. Yes, okay. So let's proceed. So again, sales by category, df.group by what? Category. And what value we are taking? Total. Then we are summing it up. Next we identify top 3 customers based on total spending. How we can do that? Try to think. We group by customer name. What value we will take? Total. I mean what column value, right? What column value we will take? Total. Next we will sum it up. And then we are going to sort it. Right? So dot sort values and ascending equals false means it will show top 3 in descending order. It will show in descending order. And then dot head 3. What it will do? It will show top 3 result. Yes. And finally, we determine the best selling product by summing quantities per product sold. So, best selling product, we are creating a variable best selling product equals, okay, let's not get excited by this, okay. So, df.group by what? Group by product. What value we will take? Quantity. Then we will sum it up and then we will show in descending order. And then in head, since we want only the top value, we are providing here head 1. Alright. Step 4. Data visualization. To make insights more intuitive, we visualize data using Matplotlib. So, first, sales by region. Bar chart to show regional distribution. Sales by region dot plot kind equals bar. You know this by now. Title we are providing and color we are also providing. Sales by category. Here we are plotting pie chart. So, sales by category dot plot kind equals pie. Auto PCT you know by now, right? Auto PCT is percentage. Yes. Title equals sales by category. Next, daily sales trend. Line chart showing sales over time. So, daily sales equals df.group by date and value total dot sum. Alright. And we are plotting it. So, dot plot. Title we are providing. Marker we are providing a small o. That's it. And next, top customer. Top 3 customers. Yes. What we are doing? Top 3 customers. Dot plot. Kind equals horizontal bar. Oops. I told you, right? BARH means horizontal bar chart. Yeah. Color orange and title top 3 customers, of course. What we will say otherwise. Each chart provides clear business insights that would help stakeholders make data-driven decisions. So to wrap up, that's our sales data analyzer project. You have seen how to read, clean, analyze and visualize real-world data using Python. This kind of project is fantastic for your resume and portfolio. It shows you can turn raw data into actionable insights. See you in our next project.